Zero ang aming electricity since January up until now.
Alam mo po may isang homeowner na 5 months ng zero ang Meralco bill? Yes, as in zero. So, paano at bakit? So, ganito ang ginawa niya.
So, I've committed actually 3 leaves. The first one is that I will be prioritizing the use of an electric vehicle. So, alam ng mga taga-FPI na isa ako sa mga unang nag-purchase ng electric vehicle.
Hindi lang EV, meron pa siyang isang ginawa na mas impactful.
I will promote the use of green energy. So, ginawa ko naman ito is try to install a solar panel system in my house, which is about 9 kilowatts capacity. So what did that brought to our lifestyle is zero ang aming electricity since January up until now. So that's already 4 months zero electricity bill.
So ganito yung tunay na smart move, Isang EV and then you have your solar power system. So that's long-term savings plus clean energy.
So, helping in the decarbonization of our world.
Gusto mo rin ng zero bill lifestyle? Kami nang bahala sa'yo. Message mo lang kami dito sa MDH Solar Energy OPC.